Hi, I'm Nick Kazor, and this is my platformer and tile mapping challenge video. I was able to complete tiers 1 and 2, and now I'll do a quick playthrough to show all the elements I completed. So tier 1, you need 4 platforms that you can jump on, and I have 4 of those in each level, and 4 coins per level, which I have as well. Tier 2, you need the lives counter, which I just lost a life, you can see up here. There's 4 horizontally moving enemies that I have on each level. Sorry, I have to concentrate a little bit. There's a you lose and a you win message. There's a second stage, 4 coins, 4 platforms at least, and some background music you can hopefully hear. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.